Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the rear differential fluid on Land Rover Freelander. That's the differential right there, and up there that's the drain plug and the fuel plug as well. This is the socket I'm using to remove the drain plug. On this car, in order to drain the differential fluid, you need a syringe so that you can suck the oil out of the differential. There is some oil coming out. That means there might have been a little bit too much oil, but the rest of the oil you need to suck out. That's the syringe I'm using, along with a long hose, so that I can put the hose in all the way so that it can suck the most fluid. Make sure to measure the exact amount of fluid that you've drained, so that you can put in the exact amount. And now we'll drain all the fluid out. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. I think we drained all the fluid out, because there is no more fluid coming into the syringe. So now we'll see exactly how much fluid we've drained, and we'll fill up around the same amount. We've drained about 800 milliliters, so we'll put in the exact same amount. We're going to be using and in order to fill the differential, this is the pump I'm using. I'm putting in this into the fuel hole, and putting the pump into the bottle and start pumping the fluid in. When when the differential gets to the maximum level, it will start dropping from the filling hole. Here it is, fluid started dropping from the filling hole. That means the differential is to the maximum level. Now we can put on the plug, and that's it. We're done with the fluid change. There's 200 milliliters left. That means we filled up 800 milliliters, which is exactly up to specs.